This air purifier is awesome. Oh wait, sit, Daphne. That one right there. It's awesome because it's priced well and it's so small and yet it does so much. So let me show you everything it does, and I'm gonna pack all the good stuff right up front, and I'm just gonna roll for a while, including an unboxing at the very end. It is awesome, especially if you have pets. All right, so one of the best features is this sensor right here. It's actually checking the quality of the air, and it's gonna give you a numerical readout. Right now it's at 1, which means it's very, very clean air. Green means clean, then it goes yellow, then it goes red. If you have a lot of odors in the air, this HEPA filter that's inside will clean that out really well. Also, if you have smoke, it will do the same. But what's so cool about this is I'm gonna light this match and allow the smoke to kind of get near that sensor. Yeah, right there. And as it recognizes that this air quality is getting worse, it's actually going to kick on the fan a little stronger. I think I'm on it. Give it a second. Yeah, there it goes. It's starting to sense it. So it's going from 1 up to 38, 67, 99. You can see the colors change as well. So obviously the air quality is not there at the moment. So it's going to do all that. And then as soon as it's cleaned it all up, it's going to bring it right back down to normal. I love that. That's probably the very, very best feature. Look at there. It already has cleaned it up because that was just one match. That is probably my favorite feature. All right, I sped that up. It's been a couple of minutes. It's now back down to 7, and it'll keep dropping as I talk. Let me do some other features that I really like, including this one right here. There's a little dial here. You open that up, and inside here is a little wafer that you can drop essential oils on. I've never had an air purifier that does this. I'm gonna put 1 drop. Let's do 2 drops. That's eucalyptus. And then that will siphon through and just make your whole room smell good. So I like that feature a lot. It comes with 3 wafers, 1 installed and then 2 others. A couple other things that I love. There's filter on both sides. All of the air comes through both sides and then it shoots out the top. We have it tucked behind here on this couch because it's completely hidden. I will say this too, it's completely hidden and it's really quiet. There's actually 1, 2, 3 speeds, and then there's a turbo, that's 4 speeds. But then also when you have it on auto mode, it has AI there, so I'm guessing it's an intelligent mode. It's actually like another speed that's even lower. So like right now this is down to 5, and I can barely even hear it. It's so quiet. But if we jump up to speed 1, it does get louder. So really I would say that there are 5 speeds. There's the auto, which really dials down if needed. 1, 2 here is probably as loud as I'd feel comfortable doing in this room because we're near it. 3 gets the job done, but it's getting noisier. And then 4, or turbo, that kind of sounds like a noise machine you might have at bedtime in your room. So again, I'm gonna go here to auto. So let's look closely at some of these other buttons. So we got a power button, fan speed button, the auto. Then there's a sleep mode, which I love that. You click it, you wait a few seconds, and everything just blacks out, which is really nice. So at nighttime, all those lights aren't keeping you awake. Spend about 5 seconds, and there it goes. It goes real dark. Now, how do we turn it back on? I guess you just hit sleep again, maybe, to wake it back up. All right, there's also a pet mode. You hit that, and it turned on a lot stronger. So I guess that is knowing that there's pet hair and dander and stuff in the air. So that just turned it on all the way to turbo. Maybe it's doing some other things too. I haven't learned that yet. Timer, there's a 2, 4, 8 hour timer. Child lock, so you're gonna click that or probably hold it down. And that'll keep your children from pushing buttons, but also sometimes cats and stuff will get on top. And then there's a filter reset. Now that may not seem like a big deal, but filters, when they get reset, a lot of these devices, you have to like push some combination of several buttons. This is really cool that it's just one little button. That's nice. All right, that is everything. I love it. Let me show you inside. I've only been using this for 1 day, so it's not gonna be that dirty yet, but I'll show you in the unboxing later too. Oh look, it's already got a little bit of hair, sucking in some hair. This is a pre-filter on top, which means I just come over here with my vacuum and suck it all up and keep it fresh. And then there's this filter, and then of course the HEPA on the back side. Really nice. And again, it's coming from both sides. Last thought, let me look at you when I tell you this. Last thought, whenever you are looking to get an air purifier, it's going to brag that it's good for a certain amount of space. Like for instance, this one is good for 2,500 square feet. And it is on turbo. So whenever you're picking one out, get the largest you can do, maybe that you can afford, but also like a 2,500, for instance. If you've got a room that's only 500 or 1,000, this would be perfect for that shape, because you don't really want to run it on turbo or on level 3 or 4. You just kind of want to run it at a quieter 1 or 2, or maybe even this AI mode that's even lower than that, because I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. It's doing the job, it's circulating all the air, but I want it to be lower. So if you have this huge 2,000 square foot home, then get like a 4,000, 5,000 square foot device. This one here, again, is 2,500. So it's a very small unit. And I mean, the footprint is little. I mean, it's wonderfully little, and it really packs a lot of punch. And of course, has all the technology built in with the diffuser, with the essential oils and stuff. It's just a cool unit, and it's affordable, very affordable. So that's my review. This was sent to me by the manufacturer. I was happy to do it. It's especially good if you have pets. I have no complaints. The cord is long. It's actually like a braided cord as well, so it's very, very nice. No complaints. Like it. Thank you so much for sending it to me, and hope the review is helpful. So again, I love it. All right, thanks. Have a good day.